What is a staycation? A staycation is a vacation that you take at home or near your home rather than traveling to another place. Many people choose to stay at home and explore their own city. It could be a picnic, a hike, a visit to the museum, or any other local attractions in their town. Some others choose to stay overnight at a hotel, which feels exactly like a vacation, enjoying the pool, some good breakfast, shopping, and sightseeing. Many also choose to go on day trips, exploring nearby places and towns. Let's admit it, we probably spend more time exploring faraway places than sites near our home. We tend to dismiss local sites, assuming we will go there someday. So there are bound to be places around us we haven't explored or activities we haven't tried. Are there any advantages of staycation? Of course. You save money as you do not have to pay for flights, and in many cases not even for the hotel. You don't have to stress about planning or taking long leaves from work. You get more time to relax, and above all, it helps the local economy. If you found this video useful, share it with your friends and family. For more travel tips and goals, you can subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. You can also find us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and our website with the name The Exploster. Stay tuned for more.